Greetings, everyone. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg, and welcome to your Santa Ynez real estate market update. Whether you're buying, selling, or just staying informed, knowing the latest market trends can help you make the best decisions. This week, the median list price for single-family homes in Santa Ynez is $4,400,000. The Market Action Index sits at 21, indicating a slight buyer's advantage. This is a slight drop from last month's 22, signaling a shift toward a softer market for sellers. Meanwhile, inventory has increased to 39 homes, offering buyers more options. So, what does this mean? The Market Action Index measures whether the market favors buyers or sellers. A higher index benefits sellers, while a lower index gives buyers more leverage. Right now, at 21, Santa Ynez remains in a buyer's market, and if inventory continues to outpace demand, we may see further downward pressure on pricing. Here's what's happening in Santa Ynez right now. New listings are coming in at a median price of $3,722,500, which is lower than the current median list price. Price per square foot is currently at $1,145, giving insight into the cost of luxury homes in the area. Homes are spending an average of 249 days on the market, with the median at 224 days, showing a slow-moving market. 38% of sellers have reduced their asking prices, reflecting adjustments to market conditions. No listings have increased their prices, indicating little upward momentum in pricing. 10% of properties have been relisted, meaning they were previously on the market but didn't sell initially. If you're considering renting, the median monthly rent in Santa Ynez is $18,000. The Market Action Index has been trending downward for several weeks, while prices have remained relatively stable. If inventory continues to rise faster than buyer demand, it is likely that we will see further downward pressure on home prices. Now, if you're buying or selling, here's what you need to know. For buyers, finding the right home is about more than just square footage. It's about lifestyle, location, and long-term goals. I offer exclusive access to off-market properties and leverage eXp Realty's global network of over 90,000 agents. As part of eXp's luxury division, I use cutting-edge tools to find opportunities you won't find anywhere else. My goal is to help you secure the perfect home with confidence and ease. For sellers, your home deserves maximum exposure. Our luxury marketing includes placement on 80 international real estate websites, luxury placements in the Wall Street Journal, Mansion Global, Robb Report, Unique Homes, DuPont Registry, and Forbes Global Properties. And we feature your property with professional twilight and drone photography, plus a dedicated property website. Targeted advertising ensures your listing reaches the right buyers, locally and globally, attracting serious interest and top-dollar offers. Whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or relocating, I offer expert negotiation, seamless transactions, and personalized service to make your transition effortless. That's your Santa Ynez real estate market update. If you're thinking about buying or selling, this is the time to stay informed and strategize. Contact me at Helma at helmabloomberg.com or call me at 760-636-3105 for the California desert or 805-450-6006 for Santa Barbara and its surrounding horse and wine country. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media for more insights, tips, and updates on the luxury real estate market. Thank you for watching.